Hey guys, so there's this really mean person here. He's telling me that I'm not a townsperson. He's telling me that I am a townsperson. Oh my gosh, he's here right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
What?
Hang on. Okay, so this guy, Baron Quiet Paw, he has been really annoying. He keeps telling me that I'm not a true wolf and that I'm a townsperson. He's saying I'm a big fat shame. So if you find him, report him because he killed me and he made me part angel on Animal Jam. I have white eyes because he killed me, so I became part angel. Oh my gosh. He doesn't even know what's happening to him right now. Should I tell him? Yes, I shall. Oh my gosh. It took him that long to figure it out. And anyway, I'm not a townsperson. So shut up and don't call me that. No, seriously, I take that back. But really, don't call me a townsperson, okay? Because if you do, I'm gonna get you. So basically, that's it. Okay, bye-bye.